again. HD lace. Like, where's my lace? Where is my lace? It's not that I don't want you here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Crystal, and if you are returning, hey. So y'all, I love this unit from Sam's Beauty. But before we get into this unit, make sure if you are not already subscribed to my channel that you go ahead and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you will be notified the next time your girl drops another video. And also comment down below and let me know how you love this unit. Sam's Beauty sent me this lovely unit. It is from the Balayage line. I have never had a Balayage unit before, and baby, the lace is a Swiss lace. You hear me? Swiss lace. It was very hard. I tried to show y'all how I kind of put my concealer in it, but being that it was super light and it was kind of hard for it to show up on camera, but I definitely did my best to try to show y'all. So I got this unit in Ocean Wave, and it is a 30-inch. You can't tell me this unit ain't hitting, okay? It is a HD lace, Come again. HD lace. Like, where's my lace? Where is my lace? I'm getting better. I'm getting finer by the day, baby. I'm getting finer by the day. When I tell y'all, like, installing these units are starting to get, you know, more and more easy for me, but whew, I even put a little teeny tiny baby hairs on this one. I was trying to feel myself today, okay? Anywho, I love this unit. It is from Sensationnel, and it is their butter lace, Swiss lace. Okay, this unit is 30 inches. Get into it. I need y'all to get into it. Look at these inches. Look at these inches, baby. Look at these inches and the coloring in it. I love it. I love this unit so much. Sensational. Y'all knew what y'all were doing with this one, okay? It even came with the little baby hairs, the baby hairs already, so I didn't even cut it. The only thing I cut was the little pieces in the front, but other than that, I left the baby hairs like they were, because why would I cut them? This unit, I got it in a T4 chestnut blonde, and it only had, well, it had lace around the whole perimeter, but I didn't even put concealer or anything in my part. That's how good this lace is. The part is not that big. You can only part, like, you can only wear it this way. You cannot switch the part on this unit. It is a little, I thought I had a big head, but I put the straps in the back all the way to like the last, like they're almost touching in the back, so, and it kind of like sits over my ear just a tad. It is not uncomfortable at all. It's not uncomfortable at all, but it is sitting like behind my ear just a little bit. These are the different colors that the unit comes in. I honestly think all the colors on here are pretty good. I really like them. Like, I don't have any problems with it. This is a human hair premium fiber blend. It says full bodied movement and stiff wear. Okay. The HD is undetectable, like, where is my lace? And it blends with most skin tones. Like I said, I did put a little bit of my concealer on the lace before I melted it, but like, you cannot see this lace at all. It is ear to ear with a 5-inch deep hand tied parting. It is pre-plucked because, baby, I did not pluck a single thing. And it is natural and full maximum density. This unit is everything, okay? I know we're at the end of summer, but child, I'm gonna continue to wear this until I feel like I don't want to wear it anymore. So who gonna stop me, boo? I love it. So if you guys have not already, make sure you go get you one of these, child. I will link it down below. So if you are interested in picking this up from Sam's Beauty, you can get your own as well. So baby girl, do yourself a favor and get you one of these, okay? Sam's Beauty did not disappoint me when they sent me this unit. And Sensational did not disappoint me neither when they made this unit. So honey, I didn't even cut any layers in this. So it does have a few layers, which is cute. I like it. And the coloring on it, the color combination, chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know how you like this unit. Let me know if you are going to get this unit as well. And also, if you not have already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Like, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. So until the next time, bye.